Hi guys, welcome to Decimal Studies. Today we are solving Kalika Setu question papers, subject Social Science. Let's begin. Question number first. The year which Vasco da Gama reached Kapadu of India is options 1497, 1498, 1947, 1489. The correct answer is 1498. Question number 82. The first Anglo-Sikh War was ended with the Treaty of options Multana Treaty, Salbai Treaty, Lahore Treaty, Bassein Treaty. The right answer is Lahore Treaty. Question number 83. Kolkata, Bombay, Madras universities were started through recommendation of options Charles Wood Commission, McCall Commission, Hunter's Commission, Jonathan Duncan Commission. The right answer is option A, Charles Wood Commission. Question number 84. The war was started because of May captured by British was options the first Anglo-Mysore War, the second Anglo-Mysore War, the third Anglo-Mysore War, the fourth Anglo-Mysore War. The right answer is the second Anglo-Mysore War. Question number 85. A great work composed by Dayanand Saraswati is options Satyartha Prakash, Question number 85. A great work composed by Dayanand Saraswati is options Satyartha Prakash, Gulumagiri, Samnavanda Kamodi, Mukanayaka. The right answer is option A, Satyartha Prakash. Question number 86. The immediate cause for First War of Indian Independence was options soldiers were forced to oversee services, discrimination in the payment of soldiers, ordered to use the Royal Enfield guns, insulated the Indian soldiers. The right answer is option C, ordered to use the Royal Enfield guns. The moderate leader who tabled the drain theory was option A, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, option B, Surendranath Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Dadabhai Naoroji. The correct answer is option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. Question number 88. The incident caused for Gandhiji call back the non-cooperation movement was options Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Chauri Chaura incident, Khalifat movement, Round Table Conference. The right answer is option B, Chauri Chaura incident. Question number 89. Bhai Vallabhbhai Patel was identified as options the first Education Minister of India, the first Law Minister of India, the first Prime Minister of India, the first Home Minister of India. The correct answer is option D, the first Home Minister of India. Question number 90. Segregation of society based on religion is options regionalism, gender discrimination, communalism, linguistic. The correct answer is regionalism. Question number 91. Not related to Panchashila principle is options non-invasion of each other, option B, mutual cooperation and respect, anti-apartheid policy, peaceful coexistence. The right answer is option C, anti-apartheid policy. Question number 92. The country that cooperated in the Tashkent Treaty between India and Pakistan in 1966. Options are Russia, Bangladesh, America, China. The right answer is option A, Russia. Question number 93. The most influential affiliate body called as United Nations Cabinet is? Options: General Assembly, Secretariat, Security Council, International Court of Justice. The correct answer is option A, General Assembly. Question number 94. The fundamental rights are included in the part of Constitution is? Options: 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. The right answer is option A, that is 3rd. Question number 95. Education is the public property propagated by? Options: Mahatma Gandhi, Jyotiba Phule, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 96. An unorganized sector labor group. Options: agricultural laborer, doctors, teachers, soldiers. The right answer is agricultural laborers. Question number 97. The first railway line was laid between? Options: Madras Arcona, Kolkata Rani Ganga, Mumbai Thane, Bangalore Mysore. The right answer is option C, Mumbai Thane. Question number 98. The prominent movement led by Medha Patkar was? Options: Alcohol Prohibition Movement, Chipko Movement, Narmada Bachao Movement, Untouchability Prevention Movement. The right answer is option C, Narmada Bachao Movement. Question number 99. The child labor is offence according to the article of Constitution. Options: Article 21, Article 24, Article 32, Article 710. The right answer is option B, Article 24. Question number 100. The west coast is more dash than east coast. Options: wider, narrower, taller, non-continuous. The right answer is option B, narrower. Question number 101. The heaviest rainfall area of India is? Ganganagara, option B, Myasnaram, D, Drash, D, Royally. Option B, Monsram. Question number 102. The suitable soil for growing cotton is? Option A, red soil. Option B, laterite soil. Option C, black soil. Mountain soil. The right answer is option C, black soil. Question number 103. The forest found in the wet marshy areas in river delta are? Options: shrub vegetation, mountain forest, mangrove forest, evergreen forest. The right answer is option C, mangrove forest. Question number 104. The river flows westwards and joins the Arabian Sea is? Options: the Kaveri, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Narmada. The right answer is the Narmada. Question number 105. The agriculture growing crops and animal husbandry is known as? Option A, compact farming, subsistence farming, mixed farming and dry farming. The right answer is option C, mixed farming. Question number 106. The port found in the east coast is? Options: Kandala Port, Pradeep Port, Mormugava Port, Kochi Port. The right answer is option B, Pradeep Port. Question number 107. The city which is called as Silicon Valley of India. Options: Bengaluru, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. The right answer is option A, Bengaluru. Question number 108. The Himalayan earthquake zone is compiled with option A, maximum intensity zone, moderate intensity zone, minimum intensity zone, low intensity zone. The right answer is option A, maximum intensity zone. The total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. Options: per capita income, revenue income, national income, real national income. The right answer is national income. Question number 110. The policy differs from government housing program is Prime Minister Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Awas Yojana, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, Ashcharya Yojana. The right answer is option C, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Question number 111. The bank account opened by a businessman is options: savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. The right answer is current account. Question number 112. The word bank is derived from the Italian word. Options: banco, banquet, bank, banking. The right answer is option A, banco. Question number 113. Consumer Protection Act came into force in options: 1986, 1976, 1996, 1966. The right answer is option A, 1986. Question number 114. Originally, Amar Sulya rebellion was options: labor rebellion, farmers rebellion, tribal rebellion, arms rebellion. The right answer is option B, farmers rebellion. Question number 115. The leader not belonged to radical group. Option A, Lala Rajpat Rai. Option B, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option C, Bipin Chandrapal. Option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The right answer is option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 116. The occasion when Gandhiji gave the ultimatum, do or die. Options: Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, opposition to the Simon Commission. The right answer is option A, Quit India movement. Question number 117. The year when Vishal Mysore state came into being. Options: 1st November 1971, 1st November 1956, 1st November 1973, 1st November 1953. The right answer is option B, 1st November 1956. Question number 118. The city called Manchester of India is Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Davangere. The right answer is Mumbai. Question number 119. The person who provides goods and services based on money. Options: supplier, user, producer, consumer. The right answer is supplier. Question number 120. Constitutional amendment introduced the Uniformed Panchayat Raj institution all over the country. Option A, 72 Amendment in 1993, 73rd Amendment in 1993, 72 Amendment in 1992, 73rd Amendment in 1952. The right answer is option B, 73rd Amendment in 1993.